Brief, accurate and important news of today's Wednesday. Ministry of Foreign Affairs of Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan condemns in the strongest possible terms the brutal attacks by the Zionist invaders in Jenin city and calls for its immediate end. The ministry adds that such a cruel actions by the Zionist forces are against all laws, which will not benefit anyone and it will make the situation even more tense. Acting Minister for Interior Affairs Khalifa Sirajuddin Haqqani, while addressing the residents of Gardisiri district of Paktia province, said, "The world does not recognize us. It does not want to accept the fact that the Islamic Emirate as a state and government, and it is a reality that no one can deny." Afghan Red Crescent Society, 30 more children with cardiovascular septal defect were referred to a private hospital in Kabul for surgery and treatment. The UNAMA has announced its strategic framework for Afghanistan for the period 2023 and 2025, outlining the priorities of the organization in support of the Afghan people. Kabul Police Headquarters says that the security forces of PD6 apprehended 2 people for robbery charges. The Supreme Court says the Primary Court of Zermatt district of Paktia province has given punitive punishment to 2 criminals. The officials of the Naib Aminullah Khan 100-bed hospital in Logar say that more than 1,200 patients are treated in this hospital on a daily basis, and with the arrival of the Islamic Emirate, its health services have improved by 90%.